What's the meaning of call out? Call out. Call out.
Call out. Call out. Call out is a term that describes the act of drawing attention to someone else's behavior or actions, often in a negative or critical way. It typically involves publicly identifying and pointing out behaviors or actions that are considered unacceptable or inappropriate. The result of a call-out can vary, but often includes a public conversation or debate about the behavior or action in question, as well as potential consequences for the person being called out. In some cases, call-outs can lead to changes in behavior and increased accountability, while in other cases, they may lead to conflict or division within a community or group.